Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most blessings, salawat and salam always say to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness era to the lightness era. So today I want to share about my portfolio as a full stack developer. So my principle is building clean, responsive, and modern web experience and empowering local business to grow online. You must know about me, a passionate developer who believes in building meaningful things through clean code and creative thinking. So my background as a student at IDN boarding school, majoring in software engineering. I have a deep passion for technology and software development, and constantly exploring new tools, building projects, and pushing the boundaries of what I can create. So my personal strengths, it's about adaptability, uh, almost fast changing environment, and then time management, deliver work on time every time with through schedule. Maybe I can make a schedule at Notion or Google Calendar, and then target oriented, stay focused until the goal is reached. And then the soft skills, it's about critical thinking and problem solving, teamwork, communication, and then social ethics. So career interest, strongly driven to pursue a career in software engineering, building innovative digital solutions that make a real difference for people and business. And the next, it's about academic background. So my in software engineering, I building a strong foundation in modern web and mobile development technologies. So the relevant subjects about IT, and then mobile app development like Flutter using Dart, and then framework from Tailwind CSS, Laravel, and then Flutter. So from now, I am at IDN boarding school, and then the academic achievement, it's still in progress because currently focused on sharpening skills and completing projects. So the next is skills and expertise toolkit built through hands-on projects, real coursework, and relentless curiosity. So my hard skills is all about HTML and CSS, Git, Laravel, Flutter, Tailwind CSS, JavaScript, and others. And then tools and software I already use it. It's about HTML5 and then CSS3, and then I use VS Code for editing code, and then use MySQL for database, uh, use Chrome for my projects. And then my soft skills, how I work and I think with others is communication, teamwork, problem solving, time management, adaptability, and critical thinking. So next, for my first project, uh, actually I have many projects, but I just show my first project, the most the best project, and then The first is QR generator and scanner. So the application is Flutter-based mobile app that lets users scan various QR codes and generate custom QR codes from text or links. And then my project goal is simplify digital information exchange and data input automation through fast, accurate camera scanning. So my role as main developer, I was responsible for the full development cycle. And then the result and impact is I built a responsive and accurate scanning implementation, clean and intuitive user interface (UI), and then available on GitHub for community reference. And the second project, it's about UI e-commerce implementation uh, with Flutter also. So the description is exploration of modern online shopping app interface designed with Flutter. My project goal is create a seamless shopping experience through a clean interface and smooth transition animation. And my role as a UI UX developer, I design implement all visual components. And the last result and impact, I built a custom widget implementation for a project grid and then smooth navigation between card profile and detail page and deep understanding of asset integration and team management. And then the project 3 is about smart attendance system. So an its application an attendance management app for in institution or schools. And my goal is to replace manual attendance system and simplify automatic attendance data recap. And as full stack developer, I manage app state and attendance from integration. And the result of that app, I have stable and reliable status management system, improved understanding of mobile database management, and the last strict user data validation. And then achievement and certification. So with competition, I coming soon, ready for the next challenge. And then certification I have from decoding, basic of AI, learning to use generative AI, and then generative AI for educators with Gemini from Google. And then from Solo Learn, I have coding foundations, and then an introduction to HTML. And then I have a workshop from Google Developer Group at Flutter Development, and then online courses, full stack, Next.js with project, real-time point of sale. And then challenges and learning. So my biggest challenge becoming a full stack developer, and how I overcome it, finding a mentor or learning from online resources. Uh, I can learn from strategy one, learn from trusted sources, maybe on ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, and then Google. And then strategy two is build a project and share it on social media. I can share it to LinkedIn or influencer app or website freelancer. And then strategy three, gain more experience by building projects. So I try build up some of projects that relevant for that programming language. So with after I overcame it, I can get a lesson learned. So the lesson one is the importance of learning from trusted sources. Uh, because with trusted sources, maybe uh, it will it will got scam. And then the lesson two is the importance of building a portfolio and sharing it on social media. So when you have skills, you must to upgrade your skills until expert skills, and then you must to showing up your skills on social media. So because the people can know about you, about your skills, and then the project you already make it. And then the lesson three is the importance of gaining experience through projects. So it's not just vibe coding. Maybe you can use to cursor or anti graffiti and others tools vibe coding. So you can explore your project maybe when you vibe coding the detail of that folder, detail of that folder, and the number of the file and the dependencies or that environment. So career goals and plans. My career vision is to become a full stack developer who contributes to creating technology solutions with social impact. Uh, from short-term goal 1 until 2 years, I mastering modern frameworks and land for first job. And then midterm goal from 3 until 6 years, become a senior developer and lead a small team. And then the long term goal, maybe 5 years. I want to build my own startup or become a tech leader. So the next is skills I want to develop is from technical skills. I want to learn about machine learning and AI, and then maybe I must to learn about cloud computing from AWS or GCP, and then the last technical skills is about mobile development. Maybe I want to export Flutter development and then PWS or others. And then professional skills, I want to export about project management and then business communication, and then the last is company leadership. So and then contribution I want to give. I want creating technology products that help SMEs grow, and then sharing knowledge through mentoring. Maybe I can uh, open a courses or contributing to the open source community. So and then maybe I can contribute my skills to open source community. Okay, I hope this presentation gives you a clear picture of my experience, skills, and career goals. I am excited to keep learning and contributing. So what makes me unique is about never give up and then result oriented and team management. So you can connect also via my email, LinkedIn, phone, or GitHub. Okay, that's all from me. Terus I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.